Alright guys, here we go. Toiletry packing time. I got everything dental related and it's going in this clear plastic toiletry case because it's easy to wipe down in case of any spills. So in here we got toothpaste for the kids, toothpaste for the adults, 4 toothbrushes, floss, and mouthwash. This goes right near the sink when we get to the hotel. And because I'm OCD, I just realized that the mouthwash was lying down on its side, so I unpacked the whole thing, and I'm gonna just have the mouthwash standing up so it doesn't spill. First one, done. I do keep a list of things that I bring from vacation to vacation and the things that I often forget, but this is brand new to us. My daughter just got Invisalign last week, and we're gonna have to switch her trays while we're away. So this goes in the dental bag also. In the next toiletry bag, we have everything related to hair or getting ready in the morning. My mousse, me and my daughter use that one. My son's gel, my husband's gel. The brush, I cannot forget the brush. We got suntan lotion, even though I'm not really sure we're gonna need that this trip. Hair clips, for when my hair is super soaking wet. This I like to fill up with water to spray hair in the morning. Rubber bands. A makeup compact, just so I could see what my hair looks like in the back. We got deodorant and glasses wipes because 2 of us wear glasses and they get pretty dirty. And yes, this will all fit in here. It's pretty huge, this toiletry case. Zip it up. Number 2. Done. Next up is the one that goes into the shower. I got this awesome little case for a razor because I don't like to leave the razor in the shower exposed. I don't know, I get worried about the kids and accidents. Q-tips. Those don't go in the shower. Those are for after the shower. My 8-year-old still has a way of getting shampoo in his eyes all the time, so we use the No More Tears one, the baby kind. Tweezers. These are not tweezers. This is a nail clipper. The nail clipper is not necessarily to cut our nails, but to cut anything we have to cut, like tags off of clothing, and it's just easier than traveling with a scissor. These are the tweezers I was talking about. I don't know, these seem to come in handy all the time. And shaving cream. The next one I got here is the drugs and the things I want to keep with me on the plane. I've got baby wipes, hand sanitizers, Advil and allergy meds. This cute little first aid kit. It's just got Band-Aids of all different sizes and something to wipe your hands in case the kid gets a cut. And Benadryl for any nasal pressure I might be feeling on the plane from whatever the hell is going on with me. Oh, wait, I forgot. These have to go in a Ziploc bag in case anything decides to spill. And then I'm also going to add into this bag later on the regular medicines. I don't need a whole box of this. Why am I bringing this whole big thing? This is all I need, is like half of it. I'm also going to put in here all our medicines that we take on a daily basis, which I'm not ready to pack up yet because I have like one of those pill organizers for it. So that's going to go in here later on, and this goes in our carry-on because I'm always nervous about losing this. I think this is one of the very important ones. This and the phone charger one, also very important to keep in your carry-on. And I remember which one it is because the sprinkles kind of look like pills to me. I know it's a terrible way to remember it, but that's how I remember. Oh, I also forgot to bring the kids' Tylenol. This one I do keep in the box because I never want to forget the dosing instructions, just in case. Even though I give it to them all the time, I just like to have the box to remind me, just in case. And the end of this for now is an extra pair of glasses because once my son's glasses broke while we were away and it was a disaster. And then he also likes to wear this old pair of glasses so he can swim with them on. And a pack of tissues just in case anybody gets a runny nose. So that's really it for now. Got all these ready to go. And if you see here, there's a note on top of here for what needs to go in there. My husband's shaver. And a note on top of that one for the medicines that I need to put in there. And we're all set. So what'd you guys think of that? Helpful? Anything similar to what you do or nothing like you're going to even try to do? It works for me, and I just stick the toiletry bags in the suitcases wherever they fit. One in here, one in there. It's great. I almost forgot to tell you about the most important one, the chargers. This one and this one, they go in my carry-on bag. Chargers, I can't live without them. Yes, I'm obsessed, and I'm not ashamed to say it.